Welcome back. I'm talking about 4 things that happen when we breathe in. 4 things that happen when we breathe in, and I'm going to talk about 4 parts. I'm going to talk about the lungs, the chest cavity, the intercostal muscles, and the diaphragm. I'll also talk about the rib cage. Let me talk about five things. I'm talking about the rib cage, the chest cavity, the lungs, intercostal muscles, and the diaphragm. When we breathe in, the rib cage moves upwards and outwards. Let me do that. It moves upwards and outwards. Step 2, the chest cavity widens. The chest cavity widens to give room for the lungs to increase in size. So the chest cavity widens. The third thing that happens when we breathe in, the lungs increase in size or they increase in volume. The lungs increase in volume. And then the other thing that happens that we need to talk about are the intercostal muscles. Those muscles between the ribs are called the intercostal muscles. The intercostal muscles contract when we breathe in. They contract when we breathe in. Then let me talk about the diaphragm. I'll say many things about the diaphragm when we breathe in. You either say it goes down. The diaphragm goes down or moves down, or you can say becomes depressed. When you breathe in, it has to go down. Remember, the lungs are increasing in volume and the chest cavity has widened. Or you say the diaphragm flattens. When it moves down, it flattens. Flattens with double T, with the TT. You can also say the diaphragm contracts. The diaphragm contracts. And finally, which other part? I think I've talked about all of them. Let me talk about them again. Rib cage moves upwards and outwards. Chest cavity widens. Lungs increase in volume. Intercostal muscles contract. And the diaphragm also contracts, moves down, becomes depressed or flattens. Thank you.